G'day everyone, today our product review is a little bit different. It's not just about dirt bikes, it's about your vehicle getting your dirt bikes to your location. Whether it's the bush or a motocross track, you normally have to have a vehicle to get it there. Today the guys at iDrive have sent me one of their iDrive throttle controllers. What it is it's a electronic throttle controller that works on your flyby throttle that you have in the modern vehicles. You can adjust the sensitivity of the throttle, whether you want it more sensitive, so you want more power, you can adjust that, or if you want less power, you can adjust it as well. Apparently it's a plug and play system. It's a very easy system to put into your car, and then once it's in the car you can adjust the way that the throttle responds on your car. So let's go and have a look and see exactly what's in the box, and also how easy it is to put in, and see if this thing really does work. So what comes in the packaging is a iDrive pedal assembly and a control unit. Now the pedal assembly plugs into your factory one, and then the factory plugs into the top, and then you plug this little cord into the control unit. So let's do it, it should be pretty easy. Okay, so now I've put the iDrive controller in. All I've got to do now is set it up for manual or automatic transmission. I've got an automatic transmission, so it's very simple to set up. Just hold the mode button in for 3 seconds. Okay, so I want to be on 88, that's right. Or you can have it so that it's economy or ultimate or automatic. So that's an automatic control. So let's go for a drive and see how it works. Alright, so at the moment what I've got it on is just factory settings. So factory settings is just 2 little lines across it. So this is what it's like normally in the factory. We just put the foot down. See, there's a bit of a lag. It takes a little bit for it to get going. You can feel the lag in it, definitely. Now I'm going to put it on Ultimate 5 because it goes from 0 to 9.
Oh, it's so different.
Geez, that's a lot different. Cameron's filming and you felt it. Now this is automatic. Oh wow. So you could just drive around with the automatic. So automatic is supposed to be if you want to drive around like Miss Daisy and just take it nice and easy, it does it. But you put your foot down and it really does take off.
I've been using the iDrive unit for 6 weeks now. I wanted to test out the economy on it. I've been driving around the suburbs and even country areas. Now I've had the iDrive in Ultimate 3 and 5, in between those two. They're a sweet spot for me where it gives me the ultimate performance and also the ultimate economy. From what I can see, the iDrive doesn't really use that much more diesel. I reckon the amount of diesel that it is, and it's very minimal, really outweighs the performance. The performance that you get from it is astonishing. The car's a much better car to drive. It's a lot safer car to drive. Another great thing about the iDrive is being able to change it while you're driving. So if you're driving up the freeway and you might have it in economy, but if you move it into the ultimate, you can push it up to 9, and when you want to overtake, put your foot down and you've got an instant response, and the car picks up straight away, which makes it safer in highway driving. There you go, that's my opinion of the iDrive. I think it's a great little unit and a very good investment if you've got a car that lags a little bit with the turbo. This thing really does fix it right up.